Hey guys, Peter here once again. Listen, today I'm just going to do a very quick video on how to reset your service interval buttons here on this 2004 S500 Mercedes. So basically, when you turn on your car, you're going to see any type of, service exceeding blah, blah, blah miles. What you want to do is get to the screen right here. And then if it's not there, basically you could just scroll through it this way, but there it is right there. You want to get to that, and then you basically just hold on this R button, and then after a while it says, do you want to reset service interval? Confirm by pressing R. Press it again. Whoop, I lost it. So just hold it down and then press it again, and then there it is. It's the next service says service A in 10,000 miles. See, I never really drive this car, so basically what happens is that since it's been quite a long time that's just sitting in my garage, it's counting by calendar days. So basically it's prompting me, even though I know for a fact the engine oil and all that good stuff was just changed recently. Actually, I've only driven 1,065 miles since I changed the oil, because that's the odometer thing that I reset. In some models, that reset button will be here, but in this model, this is a 2004 S500 Mercedes, it's right there on the right side. Anyway, guys, hope this video helps you guys so that you don't have to pay or have someone else reset it for you. Hope you guys like this one. Happy Saturday to you guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye.